Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to Amelicious Cooking. Today I'll be doing some curry prawn, and these are my ingredients that I'm going to be using. I've got here 2 spring onions, 2 stalks. I've got some fresh thyme, pimento seeds, 2 cloves of garlic, half of bell pepper, which is green and yellow, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper whole, and I've also got about 3/4 of white onion. Here I've got green beans and sugar snaps. So these are what I'm going to use today in my curry prawn. Here I've also got a piece of fresh ginger. So these are the size of the prawns. That's how big they are. Check that out. So I'm going to show you how I deveined it. So I've got some prawns here in lemon water. It's just to reduce any smell of the prawn. So I just take the shells off and cut the back of it like that, as I'm going to rinse these prawns again with more lemon juice just to make sure that they're, you know, nice and fresh. And then I just take this little thing out. I hope you can see it clearly. And I just make sure that I take everything out. Make sure it's nice and clean. So my prawn has been deveined. I've just put some vinegar on them, so I'm gonna just give them a quick rinse, put some salt and season them up a bit. Here are my seasoning that I'm going to use, and these are powder seasoning. I've got ginger, I've got seasoning salt, black pepper, garlic powder, all-purpose, the star of the show, curry powder, mixed with a little turmeric, and I've also got some basil. So all these gonna be listed in my description. My prawns are already washed with a bit of vinegar, and I put some salt on them as well, so I'm gonna get started with these. To this pot I've added some olive oil, so I'm gonna get my seasoning in, saute and get started. So I've added my seasoning. I'm gonna saute these before adding the rest of the ingredients. I've also added my green beans and sugar snap. So I'm gonna now add my powder seasoning. So I want these seasonings to cook. You know, especially the curry, it needs to burn a bit. Not burn black, but cook a bit before doing anything else. Wow, this smells so good. Wish you guys could smell this through the phone. So now I'm gonna add my water. So we need these vegetables to cook. So I'm making like a sauce here. So I'm gonna allow these to cook. I'm gonna add, right, I've added some butter. So I'm gonna allow this to cook. really quickly. So I will allow this to simmer for a bit. The gravy has now reduced a bit, so I'm gonna add these prawns and allow them to cook for a bit, because prawns take no time to cook, but I want it to get all the seasoning. See them start changing color already. Oh my God, if you could smell this now. Ooh. So now these prawns are cooked. We don't want to overcook them. So I'm gonna serve these up. Nice and juicy. I can't wait to have some. My curry prawn with some vegetables, sprinkled with a bit of, what you think? Comment down below in the video. There you have it. And I'm gonna dip.